Hello friends, this is Animesh Datta. So I have just downloaded Lucee and I will install it. I'll show you how to install it. Lucee is open source technology. So this is the software. Yes, yeah. So it is going to install. Accept Lucee. I have to give some password. Okay. Tomcat server port is 8888. Okay, let's open services. Now Apache Tomcat. Now I'm just starting Lucee. It is now started. If I run, now you'll see that Lucee is working. So this is all. I hope the number of Lucee developers will increase. Those who are developing applications in cold fusion, they can also start learning Lucee because it is booming, and Lucee is something like PHP. A lot of developers are doing some kind of migration from different technology to Lucee technology. Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you.